Hello my friends, welcome to Rupa's Kitchen, and today I'll be showing you how to make a simple prawns pulao by adding something different to it. By adding a little twist, we get a very tasty recipe. So let's begin and see how we are making prawns pulao with a twist. Require for our prawns pulao. These are quarter kg prawns, tiger prawns, which I have bought. I have de-veined them and cleaned them, and I have not put salt, nothing, will marinate it later. Here I have taken 2 large onions which I have sliced. Here I have taken 2 brinjals. This is 1 large tomato. Here I have taken Shahi Biryani Masala. Here I have taken simple Kashmiri red chili powder. This is turmeric powder. This is salt. And here I have taken Khada Masala, in which I have taken bay leaves. This is cinnamon stick. Then 4-5 cloves and black pepper and 2 to 3 cardamom. Then here for marinade I have taken few sprigs of coriander leaves. These are garlic. I have taken 10 to 12 cloves of flakes of garlic, and these are 2 hot green chilies, which I am going to turn it into paste. And of course for pulao we will require rice. Here I have taken 2 cups of rice, which I have washed 3-4 times till the white water goes, and then I have soaked it for last 30 minutes. And now let's see what we have to do further. Now look here friends, for marinade I have used garlic, green chili and coriander sprigs, and I have added a little salt and the little of the turmeric powder to make a paste out of it. Now we will marinate the prawns with this paste. And see my dear friends, I have put the paste in prawns, and I will keep it aside for marination for say about 10 to 15 minutes. And let's fry our onion and begin with the tadka for pulao. I will start by adding a little oil. This is more than a tablespoon of oil. I'll add a little salt to this. After adding salt, I am adding these khada masalas which I showed you. And now I'll add this sliced onions. And now friends, as I told you, I have added a little salt, pinch of salt I mean, because the onion, see, the moment you add the onions, it gets fried a little faster than the usual time, because I have added salt to it. And now you can see friends, the onion has turned into golden brown. This is when we'll add our marinated prawns here. And allow it to cook in its own juices. Now I'll be adding sliced brinjal. I'll just slice it into 4. Long slices like this. This is when I add brinjal, and I cover this with a lid and let it cook now. Now that the prawns I guess are halfway done, this is when we'll add our tomatoes to it and give a quick stir. Now we'll check. Yeah, the prawns will also get cooked when you add the water. After only let the water get dried up fully, then we'll add our rice to it. And this is when I had added a little salt to the masala paste which I showed you. I have ground that, and now I will be adding this salt for the rice which we will add. Now I am adding salt here, and now here I will be adding, this is Shahi Biryani Masala. Don't overcook the prawns as it becomes chewy otherwise. So when it is halfway done, you add the rice, and when the rice is getting cooked, along with the rice the prawns will also get cooked. So this time you parboil it. So halfway done you add the rice, otherwise the prawns becomes chewy. Now this is, you can see the oil is oozing out. This is when you add our basmati rice, soaked basmati rice to it. Now I'll be adding water to this. This I have taken, the proportion is 1 cup rice, 2 cups water. Look here my dear friends, as I told you, I have taken 2 cups of rice. When normally we add double the amount of rice, double the amount of water. That means 1:2. If I take 1 cup of rice, I add 2 cups of water. But here I have taken 2 cups of rice which I had soaked, so it has a little moisture in it. So for 2 cups of rice I have taken 3 cups and a little more, so 3¼ cup of water, you can say. Now here my friends, I have kept it on a high flame. Once it starts boiling, I will reduce the flame to the lowest, and I will keep on sim till it gets done. See my dear friends, now if you can see, the water has boiled up well. This is when I will reduce the flame and let it cook on the simmer by closing the lid. Oh, these glass lids are such a blessing, as you can always check while cooking whether there is still water, and there's still time to go, as a little water is there in the rice, and we'll wait till it soaks up fully. And my friends, as you can see, our mouth watering prawns pulao is ready. Now let's dish it out. Now friends, as you can see, I have dished it out. You can finish it by sprinkling a little coriander leaves over it. It is so mouth watering, my god, I cannot wait to dig into it. But you can always skip the brinjal if you don't like, but then please try. I guess you should try the way I showed you. It is really mouth watering. You can always serve it with salad or lemon bridges, but I just love it this way. So my friends, how simple is to make prawns pulao, as you saw just now. It can be done in just minutes. But if you like to see my videos, you please don't forget to share, like and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much for watching.